Hello, my name is Elena Benedict. Today I will be showing how we can use materials around the classroom that doesn't have access to flats, longs, or singular units. So we will be using markers as our flats, so there will be our hundreds, crayons as our longs that will be used as our tens, and beads that you can find anywhere for about 99 cents as our singular units. So to start, we are going to be adding 165 plus 256. In order to do this, let's move this out of the way. We will need to create two separate groups and then add them together. So for instance, 165 can be represented as one marker and 6 crayons and 5 units that are beads. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we can put right here. For 256, we will be using 2 markers that represent 200, as well as 5 crayons that represent 50 or our tens place, and then 6 units or 6 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to do this operation, we need to see how many of each we can make. So for example, we have each one is going to be 10 longs or 10 crayons to represent 100. So we have 6 here and 5 here. Adding these together would give us 11. And instead of having 11 crayons, we can create a group of 10 and exchange these crayons for another long, or another flat, sorry. So now we have 4 markers, or 400, 1 crayon, and then we have our units, which to get added together would be 11, or we can exchange 10 units, get 10, for another crayon. And then our answer would be 421. And to solve this problem, to make sure that it checks out, we can add it on paper. So this will give us 11, carry the 1. This will be another 11 plus another one will give us 12, carry the 1. And then we'll have 2, 3, and 4. So our answer would be 421. Now for the next problem that I came up with. So for our next problem, we will be dividing 356 by 4. In order to do this, we will need to make groups of 4. Now since we only have 3 markers that represent 300, we'll need to break these up into groups of 10, or 10 crayons. So we can put these aside, and we have our 5 crayons right here, and then we can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so this is 1. And then we have another group, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then another group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we have our 3 groups, and we need to make groups of 4. So in doing that, we can just count how many 4 we get. So this is one group of 4, another group of 4, another group of 4, and then we have another group of 4, and another group of 4, and another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, another group, another group. So that leaves us with 8 groups of 4, and we have 3 crayons left over. Now, since we cannot group that, we will need to convert these into our singular units. So we can take these and put them aside, and we'll need 3 groups of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one group of 10 that we have. Then we'll need another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, okay, 10. And then our last group of 10. So this would be 5 and 10 right here. So we are actually just going to do the same thing and see how many groups of 4 that we can make. So we already have our 6, so we can take out one group of 4. And then we can take out another group of 4. And another one right here, another one over here. So there we go, and then another group, and another group, and our last group of 4. So if we count in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or in other words, our answer will give us 89. This is because we have separated all our crayons from our markers and given 8 groups and 9 groups of our singular units. So our answer is going to be 89.